guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another haul. I shopped again, but this time मैंने बहुत अलग-अलग जगह से shop किया है from different websites and Instagram stores just to explore and check out what they have. And yeah, so without wasting any more time, let's get started. So number one is from Urbanic. Urbanic. I was looking for a skirt on Zara, but वो मेरे size में नहीं थी. तो मैं रोज चेक कर रही थी ज़ारा पे कि मेरे साइज में आया नहीं. देन वन डे आई गॉट एन एड ऑन इंस्टाग्राम अबाउट Urbanic and I got the same freaking exact dress on Urbanic, half the price. So I thought let's check it out. और मैंने चेक किया, काफ़ी लोग influencers especially was talking about it, but reviews wasn't that great because of the delivery issue. So I was very skeptical about it and I thought बहुत sketchy लग रहा है. So I placed an order for one skirt only and it was COD. तो अगर नहीं भी आया तो it's okay. So yeah, I ordered and I think I got it in 20 to 25 days. I don't remember, it took a while, but I'm really quite happy with the skirt. It came in this ziploc package. The Shein में होता था ना, ziplocs में आता था, वैसे ही था but much better quality and it was bubble wrapped inside, which was I think काफ़ी unnecessary, but yeah, it was like that. And this is the skirt and I freaking love it. The quality is so nice. It was for around like 2000 or something, I don't remember. मैं सारे prices description box में mention कर दूँगी. Go check it out if you want to. So yeah, this was the skirt. I like it. I love the drape, I love the frills. Moving on to next website, it's an app actually. I ordered from Meesho. This is what the top looks like. I had this top, I bought it from Shein, but I eventually returned it at that time. But मुझे बाद में लग रहा था कि मैंने क्यों कर दिया. It was okayish. But then I got an ad on YouTube, I think, but it is not exact जो मेरे पास था. It was much better quality, but it was expensive also. So yeah, I don't know how I feel like. I'm not very comfortable in this. So stitching इतना better नहीं है, but ठीक है. For the price you pay, I feel like it's okay. Next up, I shop from Punk Clothing. Oh, very hyped store on Instagram. So मैंने वहाँ से purchase किया 2 items. I was a bit confused about my size और I feel like इस तरह के website में return exchange policy is very tricky. I played safe and I ordered in S, but it wasn't safe for me. बहुत weird experience था because the top I ordered is perfect fit for me. But I ordered a quad set and it is too big for me. I wish extra small में order किया होता. So first item from the Punk Clothing is this top. It's काफ़ी प्यारा color है ये. I actually bought it just for the color. But I would say about Punk Clothing, and I feel like मैंने काफ़ी लोगों के pictures भी देखे थे जो picture website पे होते हैं और जो picture actual में होते हैं. There's a hell lot of difference in it. इसका जो sleeves है वो काफ़ी puffy और काफ़ी बड़ा दिख रहा था, but in real life it is not. Still cute, a bit childish for my taste. It's nice, but I would definitely say कि अगर आप जो खरीद रहे हैं, you will not get the same thing in real life. Be prepared for that, and it fits perfectly for me. I feel like it's maybe इसलिए भी हो सकता है because the whole top is based on elastic. So next thing I got from Punk Clothing is this quad set. Smells so good, I don't know why. New clothes. This is a quad set. ये है bottom and ये है top. Plain simple top. I saw this on Nicki Mera, but it is way too big for me. इसमें नीचे ना elastic, ऐसे elastic और क्या बोलते हैं इसको, cinch it on your waist, but still यहाँ का जो fabric है it's a bit loose on me. It doesn't fit me well, especially the bottoms. It fits weird. I think extra small would be my size, but the issue I want to address. So I mailed them, then I tried to call them, then I messaged on WhatsApp. Let's see how it goes. अभी तो नहीं हुआ. It's been quite few days और काफ़ी लेट में भी ये वाला आया था. I got my packages separately. वो बहुत जल्दी आ गया था ये वाला. It took a while, but I don't mind it, it's okay. So next is a Instagram store I shopped from. I never shopped from Instagram, so मैं बहुत excited होती हूँ, पता नहीं क्यों. मुझे हमेशा से काफ़ी sketchy लगता था, बहुत shady लगता है Instagram store से, because I feel like काफ़ी fraud हो सकता है. But I found a store called KK Store on Instagram. They sell silver jewelry, junk jewelry. I am not into junk jewelry at all, but I really like the prices. काफ़ी decent prices है. Although I feel like junk jewelry are way cheaper when you go on street markets. They are very cheaper, but according to the situation, यार सोचो खुद आपको जाना नहीं पड़ रहा, effort नहीं करना पड़ रहा. So yeah, decent prices. I'm sorry, my dog came and I just थोड़ा cut off हो गया video. Anyway, I was talking about KK Store. So what I was talking about, जो इनकी ज्वेलरी है काफ़ी अच्छे डिज़ाइन है, बट जो इनका ब्लैक कलर है वो काफ़ी हाथ में आ रहा है. सो यार ये आपको ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा, अदरवाइज फॉर द प्राइस ओके आई फील लाइक इट्स ओके. एंड आई गॉट ए बंच ऑफ ज्वेलरी फ्रॉम दैम. So number one is, this is the first earring I got. They are so pretty. I really like them. These are my favorite ones. I really like it. काफ़ी हल्के हैं ये वाले actually and look so pretty. काफ़ी एथनिक वाइब देते हैं. सॉरी अगर आपको बैकग्राउंड में कुछ आवाज़ें आ रही, बिकॉज इट्स माई डॉग, तो मैं उसके लिए कुछ कर नहीं सकती. इसके सारे सबके नाम थे, आई डोंट रिमेंबर सबके नाम. काफ़ी बड़े हैं. आई फील लाइक इट डजंट लुक गुड ऑन मी, स्पेशली बिकॉज आई हैव अ वेरी स्मॉल फेस. काफ़ी टाइनी फेस है मेरा. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट द साइज ऑफ माई फेस. लुक एट इट, बट इट इज़ सो प्रिटी. ऊप्स, देखिए आई वॉज टॉकिंग अबाउट द ब्लैक एशी थिंग एंड आ रहा है मेरे हाथ पे. सो नेक्स्ट अप ये झुमकाज है फ्रॉम केके स्टोर. दे आर सो प्रिटी. आई रियली लाइक इट. आई लव द फैक्ट दैट इसके लेंथ काफ़ी डिफरेंट है. दिस झुमका काफ़ी डिफरेंट. So yeah, and the last one I saw this on Komal Pandey, that's why I got it, are the earrings. काफ़ी अच्छे हैं, गुड क्वालिटी. काफ़ी जब लाइट पड़ती है तो काफ़ी सुंदर लगते हैं. सो या, बाय द वे आई वुड लाइक टू मेंशन कि जितने भी मैंने अभी वेबसाइट या स्टोर्स मेंशन किए हैं, मैं फर्स्ट टाइम शॉप किया है, तो इट्स ऑल माई फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस. सो या, आई जस्ट लाइक टू मेंशन दैट. थ्रिफ्टेड फॉर, sorry, my dog came in. As you can see, he is sitting right behind me, so I don't want to disturb him. So Pogo, sit. Good boy, don't make noises, okay? So we have a guest now, Pogo. Next up is a store called Panda Pig Store. It's a Instagram store and it's a thrift store, to be very specific. मैंने first time thrifting किया and I really love the concept of thrifting. And it's sustainable, it's environment friendly. We love that. I really wanted a corset from a very long time. और Shein जब से बैन हुआ है, Shein में ना तो उसकी सबसे बेस्ट बात ये होती थी, if you want anything in this whole entire world, you will get it on Shein. You don't have to search. I miss that fact. You have to now search things. So anyway, I'm glad that I found this page. So I got a corset from them. This is the corset. काफ़ी ज़्यादा सुंदर और काफ़ी काम वाइब्स आती है मुझे इससे. I don't know why, but it is so beautiful. It fits me perfect to my waist. काफ़ी थोड़ा सा loose है upper portion में, but it's okay. I will find a way to wear it. But oh my god, this is pure beauty. I love it, and it's the fact that it is in white makes it perfect. I love white. So that's it for the website and Instagram stores, but I have few more things to show because I went to street shop with my cousin. I don't street shop a lot क्या, मैं एक बार, ये मेरा सेकेंड टाइम था. इससे पहले भी मैं अपने कज़न के साथ ही गई थी, but I don't know, I feel like I can't street shop because you have to interact with people and you have to talk to people about prices and sizes and everything. I love shopping at a mall or a store because you don't have to talk to anyone. There's price mentioned and you literally just take it and check out and just go out of the store. But I love online shopping because you literally don't have to interact to anyone, you don't have to talk to anyone, you just take it and it comes to your home, and my social anxiety becomes very happy. So yeah, anyway, back to the haul. I got 3 things and I really want to add this here because there's a reason for this, kids. The reason why I'm including these things because I saw these things on different websites and Instagram stores. I got this top. मैंने ना specifically ये सब क्यों लिया because I have seen these items on Instagram, on websites of these, including Punk Clothing. मैंने उसमें ये top देखा हुआ है and they are selling for like 16 or 1800 rupees. And guess what? मैंने कितने का लिया होगा? I think 300 or 350, I don't remember. Next top is, I really like the color, that's why I got it. I think this is also for 300, 350, I don't remember, but around that price. So, and this is this dress, my friend. ये आपने ज़रूर देखी होगी. It's a mid-length dress, so pretty. I love it. काफ़ी different colors में थी, blue, yellow and pink, black. मैंने ये पंक क्लोथिंग पे शायद देखा है और मैंने क्लोजेट ह्यूज पे देखा है. मैंने कई इंस्टाग्राम इवन जो ये सेल कर रहे थे उन्होंने भी हमें दिखाया कि देखिए ये वेबसाइट पे कितना एक्सपेंसिव मिल रहा है. एंड आई गॉट इट फॉर लाइक 700 rupees आई थिंक. So yeah, great deal. I just bought these items to show you on this haul क्योंकि मुझे दिखाना था कि they are looting us. नहीं, I mean yeah, they don't have any competition. तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा प्राइस पे Instagram stores sell कर रहे हैं. But if you hear someone snoring, that's my dog snoring. I'm so sorry for that. And the last item is the cutest. I love them. It's these slip-ons. They are so cute. They are gifted by my friend and I love it so much. They are so comfortable. they थोड़े से गर्म हैं तो good for winters. So yeah, I really like them. They're so cute. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to give a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and share with your friends and tell them to subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.